What's going on, good people? Come on into the room, be coachable, teachable, trainable, and post your city and state so I can check out my reach to see where you guys are chiming in from. So you guys know this is my thing. Day 23, BrandMaster Martina Britt Yelverton here, your BrandMaster, cash flow queen, founder of Youth Lifestyle Training, the #1 legal tax hack to hire your kids in business. I have a mission to serve. I help struggling startup entrepreneurs and savvy seniors to develop a simplified brand so they can learn, lead, and level up and master that brand. You guys understand and know that my overall vision is to ensure that each and every one of you understand your own personal intellectual value, that you are able to walk in your purpose and your passion, and that you catch your coins and your gift will make room for you. Okay. So today, y'all know this my thing, setting goals. Y'all know day 23, page 33, set attainable goals. And I have a treat for you today. So if you have not had the opportunity, go and grab your SMART Goals worksheet, plan of action at smartgoals.martinabrityelverton.com and get yourself in order. Set some attainable goals specifically to the workbook though. Let's go to page 33, day 23, set attainable goals. If you set your sights too high, you are more likely to fail. It's okay to have one big goal, but break it into smaller attainable goals to work toward. That way you can make sure that it happens. Completing these smaller goals will help you get motivated no matter how long it takes you to reach the final big goal. Don't cheat by setting the goal too low either. It has been said, big wigs who set and attain goals. Okay, it has been said by big wigs who set and attain goals. If the goal doesn't scare you, it isn't big enough. So guys, I need you to take some time to journal down below to get, the SMART Goals worksheet to understand what it is that I'm trying to tell you guys about this SMART Goals worksheet. Let me see if I can get that pulled up. I may be able to do it here. Let's see, smartgoals.martinabrityelverton.com. Let's see if I can get it pulled up because I want you guys to see this worksheet if at all possible. And see if I can get that pulled up. Yes. Let's see if I can get a share screen going because I never want you guys to miss out on this good. So here we go. I have the share screen going. Let's see if I can get that a little bit larger on the screen. All righty. So here is a treat for you. These are 7 steps to reaching your SMART goals. All right. Going through this, you must set a specific goal. You must set a specific time to achieve the goal. You must write the goal down. You must develop a plan, decide what price you are willing to pay to get that goal met, and also see, think, and work on your goal every single day so that you can accomplish it. And I'm telling you guys, you must have in some form an accountability partner, an accountability system. Money flows to value, not vision. So you can have all the vision in the world, guys. I can sit up here and say all day long that my vision is to ensure that each and every one of you as a CTT squad member, that you are released into your purpose and power so you can catch your coins and do what? Walk in your gift. But if you don't have an accountable measure, you will never be able to get money to flow to that value. Why? Because it's just a vision. If you don't do something with it, like develop something that actually comes out on the other side of it, you will not be able to monetize it. You will not be able to accomplish it. Get an accountability partner. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to share that with you on today, to have you guys know, understand, trust, and believe how important it is to not only set a goal, but set an attainable goal. And don't set the goal so low that it's a no-brainer that you accomplish it. And at the end of it, you don't truly have that oomph or that drive or that excitement about what it is that you've done, because truly you did not do what? You really didn't do anything. It's like sometimes you have to trick yourself with, let me trick myself into creating myself a to-do list by saying I'm going to accomplish making my bed today, brushing my teeth today, drinking my bottle of water today, and getting dressed today. That's 4 things. And then you do those 4 things, and then you just sit on the couch all day and do nothing. So yeah, tomorrow when you wake up, you need to do it again. Brush your teeth, make the bed, drink your thing of water, and actually get dressed. So you could get away with doing that 1 or 2 days in a row. But by the time you get to the 3rd and the 4th day, that goal should be menial. That should not be a goal. That should be a habit. Sure, I'm going to get up, brush my teeth, make my bed, get dressed, and drink my bottle of water. And what? What are we going to add on to that so that now we have some type of, I guess, elevation from that level to the next level? And I'm starting very small because trust and believe, I am not the best water drinker. So that's actually a struggle for me versus other people could drink water all day without fail. No, that's not even, that's a no-brainer for them, whereas it's a slight struggle for me sometimes. All right. Getting dressed every day is also a slight struggle for me because I work from home. I like to be in the comfort of my home. For me, it's a goal to get dressed every day. For somebody else, especially a W-2 worker, it's a no-brainer for them to get dressed. So understand sometimes you have to set goals that are attainable for you, but don't set them so small that they actually stifle you and don't allow for growth. Okay? Get beyond the mindset of what it is that you're trying to do. And again, like I said on yesterday, if the goal does not scare you, the goal is not big enough. Make that goal big enough that you step outside of yourself and you become a new and improved and better you so that you can reap some results from the goals that you set. Crucially, crucially, crucially important. Again, my name is BrandMaster Martina Britt Yelverton, and it is a pleasure and an honor to serve savvy seniors and struggling startup entrepreneurs to get on the other side of their brand, to make it so simplified that it's a no-brainer that they're available to catch their coins easily and walk in their gift, because their gift will make room for them. But I promise you guys, if you don't write the plan, if you don't implement the plan, if you don't review the plan and restructure the plan, you are never going to get to your expected end. My daily goal is to brand you, educate you, and to help you get your assets in order so that you can leave a legacy, or better yet, live one. Today is day 23. On page 33 of your journal. And again, if you had not had an opportunity, please go and grab your journal from 30days.martinabrityelverton.com. We hop on each and every day consistently for the 30-day journal just to get a consistent positive jump to our day or close to our evening. And sometimes even motivation smack in the middle of the day to keep us on the right path of our positive habits, our affirmations, our surrounding ourselves by good, positive self-improvement, self-improving activities. That is the point. This is just a jolt. This is not we're going to spend 2 hours training, learning how to be consistent. No, this is just a jolt in your day. This is just a 5 to 10 minute window for you to consistently do something toward your self-improvement. Okay, I'll talk to you guys on the flip side tomorrow, day 24, for accountability. We talked about that in the last step of your SMART goal. Tomorrow, we're going to discuss accountability just a bit more. I'll catch you on the flip side.